Hello again. In this lesson, we will learn the difference between this, that, here, and there. We will learn how to recognize the connection between this, here, as opposed to that, there, using the help of animals. So, let's take a look at some of them. Animals can be found here and there, but first, let's look at some different types of animals and where to find them. In the house, we can find dog, cat, hamster, parrot, rabbit. We call these animals as pets. In the city, we can find rat, pigeon, fox, mouse, cockroach. We call these animals as pests. On the farm, we can find sheep, cow, horse, pig. We call these animals as farm animals. In the countryside, we can find bear, eagle, hare, squirrel, badger. We call these animals as wild animals. In the water, we can find whale, shark, fish, seal, octopus. We call these animals as marine life. Using this and these, we use this for singular objects and these for the plural objects. This and these are used as pronouns. When people or things are near us, we can say this. For example, this chocolate is delicious. This is fun. These drawings are beautiful. To introduce, we can say, this is Daniel. These are my cats, Mike and Jenny. Do not say these are Mike and Jenny. Say this is Mike and this is Jenny. Introduce them separately if you use this. Remember, this is used for singular objects. To introduce ourselves, we can say this is Oliver speaking. Now have a look at this, these, that, those with nouns. Nouns are words that are names of people or objects. So, as you know, we use this, these, that and those to show proximity. This is same with nouns. We use this and these for people or things that are near us. For example, this is my favorite book. These are all my books. That and those are used for people or things that are not near us. For example, what is that noise? Who is making all those noises? So, let's use what we have learned with the animals from before, where now we can see the connection between this here as opposed to that there. For example, this dog is here and that dog is there. These cows are here, those cows are there.